Hi, I'm Teresa Ferrantino from Contest Analytical Laboratory. I'm Client Services Supervisor. I'm here today to show you how to properly fill out a chain of custody. The chain of custody is a legal document that travels with your samples. It is relinquished by you, the client, and received by the laboratory. The first area of your chain of custody would include your company name, your company address, your attention line, the project location, who it was sampled by, if there was a proposal provided, if there's a state form required, your phone number, your project number, your client purchase order number, and your data deliverable preference. This part of the chain of custody is often filled out correctly, but not clearly. In order to expedite the login process, we ask that all chain of custodies are filled out legibly. This section is referred to as the sample description area. In this area, you would fill out your field ID number, your sample description, the lab ID number would be filled out by Contest Labs, the start and stop time of when you take your samples, if they're composites or grabs, the matrix code, the concentration codes can both be found on the chain of custody. The only errors we find in this area of the chain of custody are the date sampled, the start time, and the stop time, which are important due to holding time issues. This section is for analysis requested. The number of containers, preservation codes, and container codes are helpful to the laboratory. The analyses requested needs to be filled out completely. Please list not only the required test, but also the methods the lab should use to run those tests. The errors most commonly found in this area are method errors. For an example, the TPH test has several methods, such as 8015, 8100, and 1664. Please notate the appropriate method for your sample to ensure proper testing. This last part of the chain of custody must be signed and dated. To receive your report on time, please fill out the turnaround time section. The detection limit requirements area must be filled out for the laboratory to meet your regulations. Before submitting your chain of custody, please double check to make sure everything is filled out properly. If you have any additional comments, please notate them on the chain of custody in the appropriate section. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please call us at 413-525-2332. Thank you.